Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set deal alerts on Amazon. This is a fantastic way to stay informed about price drops, special promotions, and major sales events without having to constantly check the site manually. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various preferences and configurations. Once you're on the account page, scroll down until you find Communication Preferences and click it. This section is where Amazon lets you control how and when they contact you about different topics, including deals and promotions. It's important to customize these settings so you only receive the notifications that matter most to you. After clicking on Communication Preferences, look to the left sidebar and click Deals and Recommendations. This is the specific area where you'll be able to configure your deal alert preferences. Here, Amazon gives you control over which types of deal notifications you want to receive and through which channels. Now look for the section labeled Deals. Right beside it, you'll see an Edit button. Click that button to open up your notification options. This is where you can choose exactly how you want to be alerted. Select your preferred update notification preferences such as email or WhatsApp, then click Update to save your changes. This ensures that whenever Amazon has deals that match your interests, you'll be notified through your chosen method. Next, look for the section called Our Biggest Sales Events. Right beside it, click the Edit button. This setting controls notifications from major Amazon sales like Prime Day, Black Friday, and other significant shopping events throughout the year. Once again, select your preferred update notification preferences such as email or WhatsApp, then click Update to confirm your selection. And that's it. You've successfully configured your deal alerts on Amazon, and now you'll receive timely notifications about deals and major sales events directly through your preferred communication method. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.